Looking for the best car jack to safely and reliably lift your vehicle for maintenance or repairs? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing car jacks of the year, considering lifting capacity, durability, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack. The Jack Boss 3-ton racing floor jack is built for those who demand both strength and speed in vehicle lifting. With an impressive 3-ton capacity, it handles up to 6,600 pounds, making it suitable for sedans, sport utility vehicles, minibuses, and even travel trailers. Its lifting range starts from just under 4 inches and goes up to over 18 inches, providing excellent versatility for low-profile vehicles as well as taller designs. One of its biggest advantages is the dual-piston quick-lift pump, which allows you to reach the desired height in fewer strokes than traditional jacks. This feature is particularly valued by car enthusiasts and professionals who want to save time without compromising safety. The large rubber saddle not only stabilizes the vehicle, but also helps protect the contact area from scratches or damage. The construction combines aluminum billet with a welded steel frame, creating a balance between durability and maneuverability. At 58 pounds, it is heavier than some alternatives. Number 4. Gurgeon Car Jack Kit Scissor Jack for Car 2-ton Tire Jack Tool Kit. The Gurgeon Car Jack Kit is the perfect companion for drivers who value practicality and readiness during unexpected roadside emergencies. With a lifting capacity of 2 tons, it supports up to 4,409 pounds, making it compatible with most sedans and sport utility vehicles. Its lifting range spans from 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches, offering enough flexibility to accommodate both low-sitting vehicles and higher-bodied designs. This kit is designed to be an all-in-one solution, giving you everything you need for a tire change in one package. Along with the scissor jack, it includes a ratchet wrench, a lug wrench with multiple socket sizes, a pair of gloves, a tire pressure gauge, and even a storage bag to keep everything organized in your trunk. This makes it more than just a jack. It is a complete emergency tire replacement set that saves time and effort. The Gurgeon jack itself is built from durable alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. Number 3. DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low-Profile Hydraulic Trolley Service Jack. The DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Hydraulic Trolley Jack is a standout for those who want an affordable yet reliable option that does not sacrifice performance. With a lifting capacity of 2 tons, it can support up to 4,000 pounds, making it a solid choice for compact cars, sedans, and light-duty vehicles. Its lifting range of 5.1 inches to 13 inches provides versatility, making it practical for a wide range of garage or roadside uses. What makes this model particularly appealing is the balance between lightweight construction and heavy-duty performance. Crafted from durable alloy steel, it provides stability and strength while remaining easy to maneuver. The inclusion of swivel casters ensures smooth movement, allowing you to position it under your vehicle with little effort. Despite its lightweight design, it delivers impressive rigidity and stability during lifting, offering confidence to the user. The DNA Motoring Jack also includes an important safety feature. Number 2. Tonda Low-Profile Car Jack. The Tonda Low-Profile Car Jack is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a durable and easy-to-use floor jack for home garages or workshops. With a lifting capacity of 2.5 tons and a maximum height of 14.57 inches, this jack can comfortably handle most family cars and sport utility vehicles. Its minimum height of just 3.35 inches makes it particularly effective for low-profile vehicles that many standard jacks cannot reach. This versatility makes it one of the more user-friendly options in its class. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, the Tonda jack is designed for long-term durability and dependable performance. It features a strong hydraulic system that delivers stable lifting, and the crack-resistant paint ensures it withstands years of use without significant wear. Safety and reliability are at the forefront of its design, making it suitable for frequent garage projects or emergency tire changes. One of the highlights of the Tonda low-profile jack is its mobility. Number 1. CZI Electric Car Jack. The CZI Electric Car Jack Kit stands as a complete game-changer for anyone who wants ultimate convenience and reliability during roadside emergencies or routine vehicle maintenance. With a lifting capacity of 5 tons and a maximum height of 17.7 inches, it effortlessly handles sedans, sport utility vehicles, and even larger trucks, giving you the peace of mind that it can tackle almost any situation. What sets this kit apart is that it is not just a jack, it is a 3-in-1 solution. The built-in hydraulic system works alongside an impact wrench and tire inflator, meaning you can lift, loosen lug nuts, and inflate tires all from a single portable unit. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.